In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom profile in Salesforce and explore profiles within the platform. Salesforce is an incredibly powerful tool for managing your customer relationships, and customizing profiles allows you to tailor the experience to fit the needs of different users within your organization. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin, you'll need to log in to your Salesforce account. This is a crucial step that will give you access to the full range of features available on the platform. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a small gear icon. This is your gateway to all the settings in Salesforce. Click on the gear icon and from the drop-down menu, select Open Advanced Setup. This option opens up additional configuration options beyond the standard settings, giving you greater control over how Salesforce is set up for your team. Now with the advanced setup open, you'll see a quick find box on the left hand side. This box acts as your own personal navigation tool within Salesforce, allowing you to quickly access various settings and options without having to scroll through endless menus. Type profiles into the quick find box. As you type, you'll see suggestions start to auto-populate. This feature is handy when it comes to quickly finding what you need without having to remember exactly where everything is located. Once profiles comes up in the results, go ahead and click on it. You'll be taken to the profiles page, which displays a list of all the profiles currently present in your Salesforce account. These profiles control access permissions and privilege levels for users, so it's important to ensure they're set up correctly to maintain security and efficiency within your organization. Now look for the New Profile button. It's usually positioned towards the top of the page, a clear indicator that allows you to start creating a profile from scratch. Clicking on it will take you to a new page where you can begin the customization process. You'll now need to provide a name for your new custom profile. This naming step helps distinguish it from other profiles that might already exist, so pick a name that clearly identifies the purpose or user group for the profile. Being descriptive and precise can save you a lot of confusion in the long run. Once you've entered a suitable name for your custom profile, the final step is to click Save. This action commits your new profile to the system, making it immediately available for use and further customization as needed. And that's how you create a custom profile in Salesforce. Thanks for joining me today on this quick guide. Customizing profiles is a fantastic way to ensure everyone in your organization has the exact tools they need within Salesforce. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to explore more of what Salesforce has to offer. Until next time, happy configuring.